Welcome to AMS-1, Iron Mountain's data center located in the heart of the Amsterdam metropole region. Part of Iron Mountain's global data center portfolio, our Amsterdam campus is scalable up to 40,000 square meters and hyperscale-ready. Located within 20 kilometers of Schiphol Airport, AMS-1 has a total potential capacity of 60 megawatts and currently houses more than 18,000 square meters of critical IT space capacity. High-quality physical and logical security measures are utilized throughout the data center. Exterior security utilizes vehicle traps and an electrified fence around the perimeter of the campus. The lobby is manned by Iron Mountain security 24/7. All visitors must check in and receive a badge while on site. Security vestibules with three-factor authentication are situated outside each data hall to ensure secure access. With one of the most comprehensive compliance programs in the industry, Iron Mountain maintains a consistent set of global frameworks throughout our portfolio. AMS-1 includes these, as well as regional certifications. AMS-1 offers colocation options to fit your specific needs, including single racks, cages, suites, or modules for added security. Electrical and fiber runs are housed overhead. Racks as high as 52U can be accommodated. Hot and cold aisle containment can support up to 12 kilowatts per rack and produce PUEs as low as 1.2. Concurrently maintainable, mechanical and electrical equipment is built to Uptime Institute Tier 3 standards. Power configurations are in a distributed redundant system. UPS systems can handle 5 minutes at full load, and generators kick in within 15 seconds in the case of the absence of utility power. Power feeds to each data hall are in a 2N configuration with diverse PDUs providing power to data halls via bus bar. Generators in the yard maintain 24 hours of fuel with an additional 5 bulk tanks underground. Since 2017, all Iron Mountain data centers have been powered by 100% renewable energy. With our award-winning Green Power Pass, customers can include the power they consume at any of our global data centers as green power in their sustainability reporting. Multiple different cooling systems are used in our Amsterdam data center. Data halls 1 through 4 are in a closed-loop system with hybrid dry coolers. Data halls 5 through 7 utilize indirect adiabatic cooling units, and Data Hall 9 is a closed-loop water system with hybrid chillers. All data halls utilize CRAH units to maintain cold air to customer equipment in an N+1 configuration. Iron Mountain's Amsterdam data center is carrier and cloud neutral. Diverse entries into the building support 3 Meet Me rooms providing physically diverse connectivity to each data hall. A strategic partnership with Amsterdam Internet Exchange and Neutral Internet Exchange provides customers easy access to hundreds of carriers of their choice. Customer amenities include 2 conference rooms and a break room. 3 loading docks support a variety of vehicle heights and offer easy access to data halls and storage of customer equipment. If you're looking for a trusted data center partner in Amsterdam, contact us for a tour today.